Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a video from a PowerPoint presentation. This is a very easy way to make a video from a PowerPoint presentation. It's an easy to follow steps. Okay, now let's get moving. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open the slide you wish to record. Go to the Windows Explorer and then go to the destination folder, find your file, and then click the file twice. Then you will have your file open. Then as your file open, you go find the slideshow on the menu bar and then click the slideshow on the menu bar. Then after that, you click record slideshow over here and then select start recording from beginning. Okay, as you click the selection, a dialog box will appear. When the dialog box appears, click the button start recording. Just keep all the options checked. Do not remove the checklist. Keep it like that way. And then you can start recording. As it starts recording, say something to explain about the slide. Then as you finished with the first slide, you click on the arrow on the upper left corner to move on to the next slide. It's on the upper left corner of the page, of the display. Then you click on the arrow. Okay, and then after you click the arrow, repeat the steps as you did with the first slide. So you explain the current slide, then you click the arrow, move on to the next slide, explain the slide again, then you continue doing that, repeat the steps again and again until the last slide. Then when you finish recording, you go click file on the menu bar and then select save as, because we are going to save the file in a different file type. Okay, when the save as dialog box appears, you click on the save as type and select Windows Media Video, or the WMV extension. Okay, then click save. After you click save, you have to wait for the processing to finish. It will take time depending on the duration and also the file size. And then after the processing is finished, you can find the file by clicking the Windows Explorer icon and go to the destination folder where you save the file. Then click on the file twice and the video will play with your voice explaining each slide. Okay, that's the end of my presentation. It's an easy to follow steps. We'll see you again in the next tips. Goodbye.